tomorrow is the groundbreaking of the renovation of the entire San Nicolas Health Center. At yung nawalang Pamana Health Center, nawala eh. Ginawang barangay hall nung nawala ako. Parang it's supposed to be health center. In a matter of few days, you'll hear from me because recently we submitted a design to DOH and I think it was approved already by DOH. So it's going to be, I think, one of the biggest health center in the city of Manila. Yes. Nagdagdag ako ng extra services para yung buong Damka, Bacood, Santa Mesa, lalo na yung may mga sakit natin sa masyadong matamis magmahal. Sa sobrang tamis ng pagmamahal, diabetes ang inago. I think we were approved to put up a facility na yung mga taga Maynila need not to go to Santa Ana Hospital Dialysis Center, Hospital ng Maynila, and Gat Andres. So kung taga-Dula sila sa area, wala na silang TOSGAS. Babawasan yung what you call the 0 mile. Ibig sabihin, doorstep away. So, rest assured kayong mga taga 44 health centers na namamahala, you have my full trust and confidence. Mananatili kayo dyan, gampanan ninyo ang inyong trabaho, ipagmalasakit ninyo. Mahirap talaga ang pera natin, but I'll make sure that things that you need, things that we need to deliver will be made available in our respective offices. Kasi kayo talaga ang frontline ng healthcare. Dalawang bagay yan. Bago pumunta sa ospital at pagkatapos pumunta sa ospital. Sa atin yan. Napunta. Now, we have the Vice Mayor here and members of the City Council. I invited them, and of course, your Director of Manila Health Department, Director Grace Padilla, because I'm happy listening to your requests. Some of you have requested tools and equipment from your health center. Gusto ko naman, maramdaman nyo lang na may tainga ang liderato ng ating lungsod. Na unti-unti pinipilit ipagbuti yung gastusin and try to address as many requests as we can. As cash coming in, we spend efficiently, being converted into services. I hope today I can put a smile in your faces. Teka muna, na-disgrasya nyo na ba yung December? Masaya ba? Masaya ba kayo? Happy naman yung mga atabs nyo. Yung mga BHW nyo, masaya din. Basta pumanatag kayo, I will do my best. What is due for you will be given to you. If there is extra, then we will give it to you. Yang may pera dyan na minamanage namin. Two things, no? One for the employee and one for the facility. We'll try to really manage it well para walang maiiwan. Kasi alam niyo ang katuwiran ko. Ewan ko kung tama. I may be wrong, pero ito sinabi ng nanay ko sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung sinabi rin sa inyo ito ng magulang niyo. Mahirap maggaling-galingan sa kapitbahay kung sa loob ng bahay mo, hindi mo tinutugunan yung responsibilidad mo. Kasi, di ba, may mga politiko na mahilig lang sa, yung bang ano, pero kayo na may napapabayaan. Bagamat hikaus na hikaus tayo, pero we'll make sure again and again, ito parang sirang plaka to, because it's my challenge as your mayor to really manage yung ano yung marapat sa empleyado. Kasi ang gusto kong intindihin nyo na lang, yung paano tayo makapaglingkod na may puso, ng masaya. Alam mo, may portion sa buhay mo na masayang-masaya ka naglilingkod sa kapwa. Kasi yung gobyernong pinagtatrabaho mo, para kang isinasandal sa pader. Kumbaga, may kapanatagan ka na things are being addressed. Daan-daan. So muli, isa na namang patunay ng pagdinig ng inyong mga kahilingan. Alam ko marami kayong hiling. Hindi dahil sa personal lang ninyo. Kasi ang alam ko, kaya ka humihiling ng mga gamit kasi gusto maging episyente sa paglilingkod. Kaya rest assured, the good news about you guys, if there's one good news about it, you're always in the radar. Because this government, the city government, will continue to invest to MBN, Minimum Basic Needs. MBN. Okay. Ano yung MBN? Ano nasa loob niya? Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Yun yan. Malaking bulto ng pananalapi ng pamahalaan galing sa taong bayan ay ilalaan to address this. Because if we are going to be successful addressing this, hindi yayaman sa atin ng tao at wala namang gobyernong kayang payamanin ng tao, but the quality of life, yung kalidad ng pamumuhay maayos. Because we are addressing the basic needs of our people. Kaya, maswertihan nyo kayong mga taga-MHD that dito nakatuon ang pamahalaan. So, kahit gaano kaliit yung resources, malaking pie ng maliit na resources will go to this basic services or MBN. I-research nyo. Scientifically proven na yan in the past when you try to run a government or make it function. This will, ito yung nararamdaman ng utaw na may gobyerno. O ngayon, kung may nakikita tayong ilaw, bulaklak, halaman, yun yung bechin. Pampasarap sa paguli ng kriminal, o yan yung mga bechin na yan. Yun yung day-to-day. Pero the biggest portion is to invest to the people. Ayan ang purpose ng MBN. But today, for the meantime, I'm excited to listen and fulfill your request. We are going to deliver 100 ECG machine. Kasi pag binibisita ko kayo sa health center, pag nagtsatsambahan ko, may scotch tape na yung iba ninyong ECG machine. At least you have now extra, dalawa bawat isang health center, 44 of you. Tapos may tatabi pa tayong counting na tira. Kung may nasira, matagal kasi ang acquisition. Tapos, napapansin ko, MS-DOS pa yata yung ibang computer natin. Maano ako, minsan hindi ko lang kapasin, pero dadama ko. Kaya we are going to deliver 100 laptops, 2 per health center. $100 printers. Sana hindi tayo bumalik sa problema na wala kayong coupon ban. I know. Nabalitaan ko din yun. Na ni coupon ban, wala kayo. I'll try my best. I'll do my best. Basta itong mga tools na ito, at least magamit man lang ninyo for efficiency of services. Pasensya na kayo, inabala ko kayo. Gusto ko lang kayo ma-meet. Lahat. Kasi iba sa inyo na-meet ko na eh. Pero 44 yan eh. Basta steady lang kayo sa Gedli. Magkikita-kita rin tayo sa finals. Magbubuti ako. So I'm happy to deliver what you have requested, most of you, and empower those who have already madagdagan. Rest assured that the medicines, we are crafting now another form of services, not only for your regular constituency, but also in the community. Niawa ang Diyos. We're just trying to coordinate it with the PhilHealth. Maybe if it is possible and feasible. Ikalulugod nyo to. Kasi na-testing na namin to sa ano eh. Na-testing na namin tong sistemang to sa Baseco Hospital.